Hey, Mama. We know the journey of motherhood is full of beautiful moments, and we also know it's not always easy. Every drop of your natural milk is a gift, filled with all the nutrition, antibodies, and love your baby needs. That's why having the right breastfeeding pump can make such a difference. This breastfeeding pump is designed with you in mind: gentle, comfortable, and effective. The soft, food-grade silicone cushion hugs your skin, creating a comfortable seal that feels natural. No harsh pulling, no pinching, just a smooth, gentle suction that helps you express milk easily. Because it's so quiet, you can pump without disturbing your baby, even during nap time. And whether you're at home, at work, traveling, or simply needing a moment to yourself, you can pump discreetly and confidently. You'll love the adjustable suction modes. You can start with a gentle stimulation mode to encourage your milk flow, then switch to a deeper expression mode that mimics your baby's natural feeding rhythm. This helps you express more milk in less time, while keeping your supply strong and healthy. The pump is lightweight and portable, so it's easy to slip into your bag and take anywhere. And when it's time to clean, the parts come apart quickly and are easy to wash, because we know your time is precious and your hands are already full. Every time you pump, you're not just storing milk. You're saving the pure, natural goodness your baby needs to grow strong and healthy. You're making sure your little one gets all the benefits of your milk, even when you're apart. Mama, you are doing an amazing job. This pump is simply here to make your journey a little easier, a little more comfortable, and a lot more convenient.